from all of the Amalfi Coast, and today on Mangia Monday, we're going to be making polenta con Rosmarino e Parmigiano. You ready? I'm ready. Let's get started.
Grate 1 cup of Parmigiano cheese. Cut about 1/4 of a cup of Parmigiano cheese rinds into cubes. Bring 6 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, and the Parmigiano cheese rinds to a boil over medium heat. Add 1 3/4 cup yellow cornmeal and constantly stir until it's thick. While continuously stirring, add the milk, butter, Parmigiano cheese, and Rosmarino.
Traditionally, with this kind of polenta, you have to try it with a wooden spoon. So we're gonna keep with tradition. Molto buono. Buon appetito!